This is called a shield knot. Still Celtic work. You can see under, over, under, over, under. Alexa, what is the story behind a shield knot?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Don't know everything, does she? Oh well, God knows. God would definitely know. Right then, Pegasus blades. These are really fine. They're wonderful. And these are Swiss make. It's right, Ray and Sandy. Ray wanted to know what blades I was using on this saw. Pegasus, manufactured in Switzerland. Also, I'm using these called Record Power, established 1909. So they've been going for a while. Genuine accessories and spares. These are a pack of 12 skip tooth plain end high speed steel, 15 teeth per inch scroll saw blades. Where are these made? Chesterfield. Chesterfield is a place in England. There is a Chesterfield, South Carolina. There is a large golf course there. Yeah, this one isn't very big at all because England isn't very big. And this one is famous for making settees. We call them settees. You call them couches, but they're leather couches. And I made some leaves yesterday. Some of you joined me yesterday. I made these leaves yesterday. Little oak leaves. These are the little love hearts that I've been doing. But it looks better with a backing on it, I think. These are the ones I've been making today. Those are shield knots. And these are the oak leaves that I've, let's see if we can you see that? Those are the oak leaves after I've messed about with them. I'm going to do the Trinity knot.
Unless something goes wrong. And something always goes wrong.
Very simple, Trinity knot. And we'll do it like that. Right, so all I need now is a bit of carbon paper. Is that big enough for it? Different things they do. So let's if you hear anybody in the background, that's my wife. She's learning Portuguese. Alexa, what is the story behind a Trinity knot?
From Quora.com. The Trinity is the term employed to signify the central doctrine of the Christian religion, the truth that in the unity of the Godhead there are three persons, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, these three persons being truly distinct one from another.
There you go. Right, so now I just need to, in the inner bits here, I have to drill a hole in each one because you have to go inside here. I'll just show you quick. Can be anywhere, as long as they're inside, anywhere. And this is 2mm, this drill. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's what I'm doing. And now you have to just put the blade in where you've done a hole, any hole, because they're all got to be done. Push that down onto the blade, tighten the clamp, tighten this up, switch it on, and away you go. Find your foot pedal, and then away you go. So work out to the outer bit. Just doing a very simple Trinity knot. Trinity knot, probably nobody remembers what it means. Last one on the outside. Rushing's never a good idea, is it? There you go. Alright, let's do this while the going's good. Right, I think that was too loose and the blade was too loose, I think. We did it. Right. All that for that. Right, let's see with these knives. All I need is a little stubby knife like that. Flex cut, wonderful knives, you know they are. All I have to do is put a stop cut in there. And take that down. Another stop cut. And take it down. Stop cut on the inside, which is more difficult, but not impossible. And then take it down. You're better off with a, they call them skews. Right, so let's take that down. This one goes underneath this way. And there goes my finger. Trish? Yeah. I'm going to have to end that there because my fingers cut to pieces.
Yeah.
See you soon. My finger's bleeding really bad.
Oh, what you doing?